Hi everyone, today I want to give you a quick overview of the VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon and why it's become such a popular choice for families, campers, and anyone who needs a reliable way to haul their gear. And right now at Shoppy Perks, we've got a special deal, 40% off this great wagon for only $49.95. The first thing you'll notice is how sturdy it feels. The frame is made of heavy-duty metal that can carry up to 350 pounds, so you don't have to worry about overloading it. The fabric is a waterproof Oxford cloth that's tough enough to handle spills, dirt, or wet towels, and it wipes clean in seconds. When it comes to convenience, this wagon really delivers. It folds down in just a few seconds with one pull, collapsing into a compact size that easily fits in your trunk or closet. Setting it back up is just as quick, which makes it perfect when you're packing up after a long day at the park, beach, or campsite. The wheels are another standout feature. They rotate a full 360, so steering is smooth whether you're on pavement, gravel, grass, or sand. And with the brakes built in, you can park it without worrying about it rolling away. The adjustable handle also locks securely, so it's comfortable to push or pull no matter your height. I also love the small details, like the cup holders and side pockets. They give you a spot for drinks, phones, or keys, which makes everything easier when your hands are already full. If you're looking for something that's durable, easy to use, and compact to store, the VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon checks all the boxes. And with this exclusive Shoppy Perks deal, just $49.95, you're saving big while getting a wagon that's built to last. It's one of those products that once you have it, you'll wonder how you managed without it.